Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm bringing you this short video, and guys, this is an open collaboration. I'm inviting those that want to participate and they want to meet new content creator. Guys, I'm taking the list. I already have 10 people for the open collaboration that I have coming up for fall. Well, it is going to be for the middle of August. I picked the date. It's going to be August 16, and it's going to be for 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could let me know here at the bottom of this video if you want to host, and I will add you to the list. I will take your name, your channel name, and I will add you to the flyer. Okay? I will be posting the flyer with everybody's name in my community tab. Also, this is going to be the second invitation video. I will add all the information that you need to do, which is very simple. All you have to do, I know it's early to decorate for fall, but we're going to kick off the fall season already here in the Cabasa household. So I invited you to do it with me. And my last open collaboration, few ladies told me that they wanted hosts, but they let me know on the last minute, and their name were not mentioned and they were not added to the flyer, but I did add them on the description box of my video. But if you want to host, I need for you to let me know on time. I did send emails. I have not got response back. I did send messenger on Instagram and on Facebook Messenger. If you don't want to host, at least let me know. No, I have something going on. I don't want to. I can't host. Because like that, I don't stay waiting for people to answer me. So like that, we could move on and create the flyer and do everything that we have to do. Okay. So it's going to be very simple. It's going to be also a freestyle. You could decorate a tier tray. You could do your fall unboxing, showing us what you're going to use for the fall season, as long as it's related with something with fall. You could go shopping and show us what they have at the store for the fall season. It's up to you, as long as they have to do with the fall season. It's freestyle. You could do a tablescape. You could do a vignette in your living room. You could decorate anything that has to do with fall. Okay, so I will leave the hashtag everything at the bottom of this video, and I will leave the day and time on the bottom of the video. And please, all I'm asking is no early upload, okay? That's it. And this is a call for, and if you're not a person that does decorating in your home, you could also do DIYs as long as they are fall related. And I know that the DIY community tab the DIY community already starting the fall DIYs. So, yes. Welcome. Everybody is welcome to participate. You could even show a fall recipe. Show us what you like to bake for the fall. If you are in the mood to bake early, go ahead, by all means, show us a recipe as well. Everything is open. It's up to you what you want to do. Like I said, as long as they are with the fall season. That's it. Simple. All right, guys. I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. I hope to see you there. Bye.